Hello and welcome to the Sutter Field. This is an amazing condominium. You walk into the building and there is a lovely lobby and a front attendant. The common areas are a hot tub with seating around, an amazing gym with weights and machines, a sauna, and you have a nice seating area here to share. And this unit comes with 1-car parking. Okay, we're going to be touring unit 708. Take the elevators up to the 7th floor. And here is the entrance to the unit. It is a light-filled unit and the kitchen's been completely renovated. And here we are. You walk into this nice long hallway. To the left, you will find a nice big coat closet, which is very convenient. It is a light-filled unit. Here is the living room, dining room combination. The kitchen's been renovated. You have quartz counters. There's a dishwasher, gas range, built-in microwave, refrigerator, plus there is a space here for a nice breakfast table. You have laminate floors in the kitchen, nice view here, and bar stool seating. Okay, here is the dining room. It is open to the living room here. Nice bay windows, and this is the view out the window here. Okay, so over here to the right, you have a nice big bathroom, private stackable laundry machines. The bathroom has a tub and shower combination with sliding glass doors. And finally, here is the bedroom. Nice big bedroom. Good amounts of natural light, and it is very quiet. Here's a peek out the window here. And this bedroom has a nice big walk-in closet with custom shelving. Okay, so let's take a quick look at the living room, dining room again. And there you go. If you're interested in this amazing space, please contact liz@relisto.com. Thanks so much and have a great day.